Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best automotive key programmer, selected for their coverage, secure immobilizer functions, software, and reliable performance. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Autel MaxiIM K100. The Autel MaxiIM K100 is a purpose-built automotive key programmer designed for technicians and locksmiths who prioritize speed, coverage, and cost efficiency. Equipped with a responsive 5.5-inch Android touchscreen and Bluetooth VCI, it focuses heavily on modern key generation and immobilizer functions. The K100 excels in Autel iKey programming, supporting smart key replacement for over 700 vehicle models and IMMO key learning on approximately 90% of vehicles via OBD. Compared with higher-end Autel platforms such as the IM508 and IM608 series, it delivers significantly faster key generation while remaining more affordable. Built-in APB112 functionality eliminates the need for a separate smart key emulator, streamlining workflows in mobile or shop environments. Features such as AutoVIN, VIN-scan, transponder editing, and key renewal add depth beyond basic key matching. The included universal Autel iKeys support multiple frequencies and offer reliable signal range, making the K100 suitable for daily professional use. With global version support, lifetime free updates, and no IP restrictions, it represents a focused, high-value solution for key programming specialists rather than a general diagnostic tool. Number 2. OTOFIX D1 Pro S2. The OTOFIX D1 Pro S2 is positioned as a premium yet portable diagnostic and key-related solution tailored for modern automotive service environments. Built on advanced technology with a lightweight and compact design, it targets technicians who value efficiency and mobility without sacrificing professional-grade capability. One of its standout features is the VIN and odometer consistency check, which reads stored values across multiple control units and compares them to help assess module replacement history and vehicle integrity. This function is particularly valuable in used vehicle inspections and advanced diagnostics. The tool supports an extensive list of global manufacturers, spanning European, Asian, and American brands, making it versatile for multi-brand workshops. While not exclusively a key programmer, its strong diagnostic foundation complements immobilizer and system-level work. OTOFIX's emphasis on usability, modern interface design, and practical diagnostic insight makes the D1 Pro S2 a balanced option for technicians who want more than just key programming. It is well-suited for professionals seeking a reliable, forward-looking platform that integrates vehicle identity verification with comprehensive diagnostic coverage.
Number 3. VDIAGTOOL VD70. The VDIAGTOOL VD70 is a feature-rich diagnostic platform with solid intermediate-level key programming capabilities, making it a practical choice for workshops handling diverse vehicle technologies. Running on Android 10 with a large 7-inch display, it supports advanced communication protocols, including CAN FD, DOIP, FCA, and VAG, enabling faster and more accurate diagnostics on newer vehicles. Its key programming functionality covers mechanical keys, remote keys, and selected smart keys, which is sufficient for many real-world service scenarios without the cost of high-end locksmith-only tools. Beyond key programming, the VD70 delivers full-system OE-level diagnostics, bidirectional control, ECU coding, and offline programming, significantly expanding its value. Live data graphing, automatic VIN detection, and multilingual support enhance usability in professional environments. With 3 years of free updates and robust hardware specifications, the VD70 is particularly appealing to technicians who want a single device capable of diagnostics, ECU work, and moderate immobilizer services, rather than a dedicated key-only programmer. Number 4. Launch CRP919 EV. The Launch CRP919 EV is a specialized diagnostic tool developed for electric and new energy vehicles, addressing a rapidly growing segment of the automotive market. Built on an Android platform, it delivers full system diagnostics, ECU coding, active tests, and extensive EV-specific software coverage across more than 120 brands. Its battery pack detection capability for major EV manufacturers such as Tesla, BYD, BMW, and Audi sets it apart from conventional scanners. While not primarily a key programmer, the CRP919 EV supports coding and system functions that often intersect with immobilizer and access systems on modern EVs. Bidirectional control allows technicians to command components directly, reducing diagnostic time and guesswork. Additional features such as diagnostic report sharing, playback, and integrated software purchasing enhance long-term usability. For workshops focused on electric vehicles or preparing for the transition away from internal combustion engines, the CRP919EV is a forward-looking investment that complements key and access-related service work within a broader EV diagnostic framework.
Number 5. Autel MaxiCOM MK808K. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808K is a versatile diagnostic scanner enhanced with bidirectional control, making it a powerful support tool for automotive troubleshooting and system validation. While it is not a dedicated key programmer, its ability to access all major vehicle systems and perform active tests is invaluable when diagnosing immobilizer-related faults and electronic access issues. The MK808K allows technicians to command actuators, solenoids, and modules directly, significantly reducing diagnostic time compared to manual testing. It supports comprehensive functions including code reading and clearing, live data streaming, ECU information retrieval, and freeze frame analysis. These capabilities help identify root causes before or after key programming procedures performed with separate tools. Its intuitive interface and strong system coverage make it suitable for both independent workshops and advanced DIY users. As part of Autel's trusted ecosystem, the MK808K serves as a reliable diagnostic companion to dedicated key programmers, enhancing accuracy and efficiency in modern vehicle service operations. And that wraps up the top 5 best automotive key programmer. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.